Today's video is sponsored by Ronaldo. Open your clip in the Fusion page, and add a merge node after. Bring a difference keyer node in empty space, connect your clip to the yellow point of the keyer, and drag it to the left viewer. Bring a time speed node in empty space, connect your clip to this, change the speed slider to 0.75, and connect it to the green point of the keyer node. Select the keyer node, and play around with the sliders to find out what works best for you. You can also increase the time speed to adjust the amount of the keyer. Once you are ready with the keyer, add a color corrector node after. Choose a color that you like, or if you want to flex your skills to the ladies, right-click to the tint value, and select to modify it with anim curves. This way the color will change through time. Add a blur node after, and increase the blur slider. Last but not least, bring my favorite soft glow node, play around with the glow slider and the threshold slider. Connect it to the green point of the merge node and you can call it a day. If you want to waste your time even more, you can change the apply mode, try everything, until you realize that the normal mode was the best option. Another good option is to buy my pack so I don't need to work anymore.